Welcome to On the Beat, everyone. I'm over here with Dr. Robert White from Robert's Apothecary, and today we're talking about a conversation, and it's all got to do with immunity, correct?
Correct.
So I want to just ask you to help me explain to everyone at home, why is our immune system so important to our body and everyday life?
Well, it is our immune system that helps us to not catch infectious diseases that are being spread through the community, whether with touch, as in touch someone who's had conjunctivitis and rub your eye, or breathing in airborne viruses or bacteria that cause flu, colds, any manner of infections. So the immune system is what triggers our body to go fight any invading organisms.
Of course. Well, I just want to ask you probably some pretty basic questions, if I may. How do we know if we have a weak immune system?
If one is repeatedly getting infections, then their immune system is down.
Right.
Where they have to take antibiotic, they get well, and a few weeks later, infection is back. Some people have a chronic urinary tract infection. Others have lung issues. Some will have upper respiratory infections.
Well, people say you get a weak immune system from not eating well. True?
That is true.
Okay, so it's all about health and diet, really.
Health, diet, lifestyle.
Okay, I got you. Well, let's talk about if we do have a weak immune system, or to increase our immune system. What are some of the products? And I see you've brought quite a few along with us.
Yes, I have several that help to boost the immune system. Black elderberry, that almost everyone has heard of over the last few years because it does so well with the flu bug.
No, I haven't heard about it.
Well, you're from another country. Anyhow, the elderberry gummies or liquid concentrated drops, when combined with oscillococcinum, a homeopathic product, really will help us fight off an invading organism pretty quickly. And then there's colostrum is a big immune booster.
Right.
And some of you remember what colostrum is. Colostrum comes right after giving birth. It's what's in the breast milk before the milk actually comes in. And it's loaded with all sorts of immune boosters.
So is that for men and women who can take that? Or
men and women, children and babies.
Really?
When a mother breastfeeds her child, the first couple of days, it's straight colostrum.
Well, how does it work?
It's loaded with all sorts of immunoglobulins, IgG, that really ramp up the immune system.
Okay.
And some of the best colostrum comes from New Zealand, over your part of the planet.
Across the pond.
Across the pond, 2 ponds. And if the calf or the colt does not get the mother's colostrum, within 6 months, usually will die.
Got you. Now, notice you've got a probiotic there as well.
Probiotics.
One of your favorite things to talk about.
Oh yes, probiotics do many, many good things, but for the immune system, having all these good guys in the intestinal tract, that fights off bad bacteria.
We've talked about when we should be taking probiotics. Are they the type of pill that you should be taking in the morning or in the evening?
Doesn't matter the time of day, but it has to be on an empty stomach.
Oh, so before you eat?
30 minutes before eating, and usually 1 dose a day is fine.
Really? It's always best to go in and ask what type of probiotic and how much you need.
We have a refrigerator full of different probiotics, wide variations, and so
it's never ending.
Never ending.
We appreciate you. Always good information. If you want to find out more information about Dr. Robert White and Robert's Apothecary, there it all is up on the screen. Give them a call. They will take good care of you. Back after this short break.